if you just go into the bathroom and you sharp, you won't really see the effect of the soap on your skin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Naomi. If this is your first time joining me, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button on your way out of this interesting video. If you love to talk about skin, life, and everything in between, this is the place to be. Okay, so today, like the thumbnail says, I'm going to be talking about 8 soaps that are very dear to my heart at the moment. Okay, so I might update you guys on soaps from time to time, but these are soaps that are very dear to my heart, like I said, and I've tried and I know that they work. Okay, so I'm sure you guys haven't seen me in a while and you're wondering how I've been. Well, I've been sick for the past let's say 3 weeks going to 1 month. It was a lot, and I just decided that I needed a break and I needed to just rest and get myself all together. And so yeah, that's just me giving you a quick update on how I've been. All right, but today's video is not about me. As you can see, I'm coming to you with my own natural self, because yes, it has been, you know, marathon and getting my skin back on track. So definitely some of these soaps helped me to get my skin back to, you know, some level at which where it is now. In 3 weeks, seeing the amount of result that I've gotten, yes, it's amazing. Okay, so if you want to know what these 8 soaps are, keep watching this video. Okay, so soaps are basically like cleansers. They are cleansers that are supposed to take away dirt, and for the lightening process, they also play a role in helping, you know, you lighten your skin without just using just soaps, without using just lotions. Some people even prefer to use just soaps without even using lotion, and I can agree, because soaps are wash off products. You use them and they wash off. They're not staining on your skin and you getting any negative effects from them. Okay, so that's why some people prefer to use just soaps, because you wash it off. There's every tendency that you don't get much reaction from using just soaps on your skin, but not everyone is blessed with, you know, oily skin, so you definitely need to moisturize your skin, and that is where the cream comes in. Okay, I will list them in no particular order. This, I might tell you the one that I feel like works faster or works best, but these are not any particular order at the moment. Okay, but the first one that is very dear to my heart at this moment, I currently don't have a picture or don't have that soap here with me. I threw away the pack. It's the Pure Carrot Gold, the gold soap. Okay, so someone asked me to review the Pure Carrot product, and I haven't gotten to it yet, but I will very soon. And I feel like if this soap can work for me this well, then that means the entire range is going to be amazing on the skin. So I will be getting that product once I'm done with what I am about to review for you guys in another video. Once I'm done with that, then I'll be able to tell you guys what I think about the Pure Carrot range. But right now, the Pure Carrot Gold soap, there's the orange one. I don't know what the orange one is like. I tried the gold one and I love that soap. It is an amazing soap. It's an exfoliating soap, so it is very amazing on the skin. This is from my personal perspective. I'm still using it. I enjoy using that soap. Okay, so these soaps I'm listing, you don't just get into the bathroom, take them, wash your face, and you are done. No, these soaps can be used for both face and body. So what you're going to do is you're going to take some of that soap and lather in and apply all over your skin and leave it for a period of time, max 5 minutes. If you're doing other things, you can just leave it on your face, but I don't advise leaving soap on your face longer than 5 minutes. It can definitely burn your skin depending on how active the soap ingredients are. So what you do is you just apply for 5 minutes and then you wash off. Let me move on to the next soap. The Fruit Almond soap is a 10-in-1 soap. This soap is 1,000 naira. This soap is amazing. It is amazing on the skin. You will enjoy using it. It's very nice on the skin. Okay, the next soap for me here is the Bavaria International. Glutathione soap. This soap smells great. This soap is big, so, but it's very foamy. It's very foamy. So when you're using this soap, you don't leave it somewhere where water will touch it. You don't leave it in a where water will touch it, because it will melt off. It's very soapy. It's very soapy, and I like that about it. It's very foamy. So this particular type of soap is where you definitely need to use more of the lather of the soap, the foamy part, than the soap itself. So you lather the soap, apply all over your body, and you use. This soap is very, very good. This soap is 1,000 naira. Next soap on this list is this glutathione injection soap. This soap has serum, has body wash, and it also has the cream. I've heard amazing things about the cream and the body wash, but I've just used a little bit of the soap, and I can tell you for a fact that the soap is very, very good on the skin. Maybe it's another lotion that I'm definitely going to try out and give you guys my review on, but it's a very good soap. It doesn't lather as much as the Frutamine and the what's it called, the Bavaria soap, but it's a very good soap. You have to take a couple before it lathers, and this soap is actually one of the most expensive soaps in this list. This soap I got for, it's between 1,800 to 2,000. I got this for 1,800. Was originally for 2,000, but I priced it for 1,800. It's one of the most expensive soap in this list, and it is very, very good. These soaps I'm listing, you can use them for both face and body. Okay, Ashanti soap. This soap is what you call small but mighty. Small in the sense of price, but this soap is very, very good. It contains papaya and honey. This soap is good. I mean, it works similar to the way the K Brothers soap works. Any soap that I've noticed that for myself, any soap that has papaya and carrots sometimes, but any soap that has papaya is amazing on my skin. And one thing I do is I buy pawpaw, that's papaya, and I blend, and then I extract the juice, and I just apply it all over my skin. And trust me, if you do that for like 2 weeks straight, you definitely get results on your skin, because it has this natural glow. And my research from it is that the papain in it, that is the lightening agent in it, just like the way you have carotene in carrots, the papain in this is the lightening agent. It's very, very, very good for soap. If you can use it for your black soaps, if you can use it for your face mask, just the juice, you will definitely notice results on your skin. So the papaya and honey of this soap is amazing. This is the Ashanti soap. I love this soap. It's just a very, very good soap, and it's affordable. I think it's between 300 to 500 naira. This is a very, very good soap. The Kojic San. Of course, a lot of people know about Kojic San. Kojic San is another good soap, although I feel like it's very, very active. So I use this on mostly areas like my bum and my underarm, because it's a very, very active soap. If I use this soap on my face, honestly, it won't last 5 minutes. My face will start stinging. So I don't use this soap too long on my face. It's very active, so it's a very good soap. I got this for 1,000 naira as well, I think. The next soap on my list is a very famous soap that I can swear by, and this is the K Brothers face from black spots mask on face. This soap is good. This soap smells amazing, and it does the work. Just leave this on for 5 minutes and you are good to go. This is one of the products from the K Brothers range. So yes, I love this soap. Next soap for me is the Aha Red Berry soap. I'm going to put a picture of this soap up on the screen. This soap is great for the skin as well. All the soap I just listed are amazing for the skin. You can choose to buy them in order of maybe your skin type, or your budget, whatever it is that you are working with. All of these soaps I just listed are amazing for both face and body. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.